Base is giving away $2 million in just 5 days. But anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys already know, it's me, Enoch Okedere, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a very long time, but we're here. And to not waste your time, and this is why I always advise you to join the Telegram group, because when we have any huge and urgent update, we post it right there. So, and why are we here today? We're here only because of the Base $2 million giveaway in just 5 days. The campaign started on the 17th and it's ending on the 21st, which is tomorrow, 12 p.m. UTC. So of course, you still have a very limited 24 hours to partake in this, and it's really simple. If you're somebody that is already conversant with Web3 already, you do not need anything at all to be worried about. All you need to do is sign up on Base, verify yourself, claim a couple of points, and just make sure you're trading at least $1. All you need to do is trade $1 and have at least $5 left in your Base account. This $5 can be in any token at all, but make sure you have up to $5 in your Base account. I'm going to show you guys everything right now. Let's get right into it. All you need to do is just click the link and you're going to download the Base app. So this is what the Base app looks like. Base, formerly Coinbase, and you're just going to open it, and this is mine, and they're already signed up, and this is currently on my wallet. I have $60 in the wallet, and this is my profile. I'm following 14 people and 18 people are following me. I've made a couple of posts up here, and these are the requirements. Now, this is what my notification page looks like. It says I'm very close to rewards. Also, it says 1,587 people just verified. So that's a very minute number. And this was like about yesterday, or the day before yesterday. Now, it also says earn a share of up to $2 million. Don't miss out. Verify, trade, and refer friends to the Base app to earn. So I'm just going to click on that whole thing. You guys can see it says holiday rewards. To verify, you just click on verify, and then you see it's taking me to a new page. I've used my Twitter already, I've used my Coinbase. You can even use TikTok, and you can use Instagram. I've deleted TikTok from my phone. I've deleted Instagram as well. So unfortunately, I cannot verify using those ones, but you just need to verify with 1 or 2 accounts. You don't need everything. And the next one is trade euros of 0.85. That's what I just said, $1 to just make it easy. So we click trade. As you see, as soon as I clicked on trade, it's taking me to the feed. So now, that's the beautiful thing of the Base app. Once you're on the Base app, you can buy people's posts, and if the post does really well, you can sell it and make profit. That is insane. Very insane. For example, you guys can see Jessica. We can see a guy doing some very strong activity here, but we're not going to buy that one. But then we can see and then we're going to click on it, and then we trade, and then we can buy it for, let's say, $1, and then we got 3 million shares of it, and then we trade now. I need to sign into my wallet and then trade it. It says I've traded already. So now what that means is, if we go also our wallets, as you guys can see, we have where is it? We have something. We have it here. So we have bought that already, but that is just simply how to trade on the Base app. You can buy posts, you can buy tokens, you can buy coins. For example, let's search for a coin. Let's search for Ethereum. Let's search for Ethereum, and this is Ethereum coins. As you can see, we have profiles Ethereum, we have coins Ethereum, so we can also buy Ethereum into our wallet, which also counts as trading. Now, this is everything about Ethereum: liquidity, volume, 14.9 billion volume, and yeah, it's just incredible. So this is everything you can do on the Base app. So just trade as you normally trade, buy and sell. And now we're going to go back and sell that thing we just bought, which is the thing about being an influencer. We're going to sell it. So let's go trade and max, and then we're going to sell it back to USDC. See, we kind of, apparently I used $1, so we're going to sell everything back. So confirming, trading, and trade it. and it's just done. So we have successfully traded $1. That's all you need to do, but you can also have much more fun with it if you like. So of course, this is one of my friends as well. I bought one of his posts more. So like, you can do as much as you want. Like, you can buy posts, and if you also make a post, people can buy your post if it is very, very interesting. This was supposed to be a short video, but I ended up making it very well detailed on how Base really works. You can also make posts without actually having it for them to buy. So let's make one. Let's make a short picture. So this is my current setup, and this is the background. My camera is a bit bad, so I'm going to clean it. And then let's do it like this. And yeah, oh no, let's retake it with the microphone. Yeah, it's a whole lot better now. And then we say use photo working on Base video, and then we're just going to post it. So you can see, we can say enable earnings. We can click that out so nobody can buy the post, but we can also click on it and we just change it to based video and save ticker, and then we post it, and people can also buy the post. People can invest on the post, and we as the creator, we can also earn some from this. This increases our net worth on the project. All you need to know currently is act really fast. If you're interested in still having much more info about how to navigate around the Base app, then I could make another video explaining that. But guys, we're finally back on this channel, and season greetings to all of you. It's been a very long time, and let's freaking go. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Peace.